Hello, in this video I will show you how to set up parental control on OnePlus 12R. So you have to start with opening your settings application, then scroll down and click on Google. Now click on parental controls and then click get started. Now select child or teen and then click next. Now click on other create account for your child and then select Google. Now you have to type in your child email address. And now you have to enter your child password. Now click I agree. And now click on more and accept. Now select your child account and here you have to type in your parent email address. And now you have to enter your parent password. Now you have to scroll down and here you have to enter your child password again. Now click next, more, and next. Now scroll down and click next, and here you can install family link or you can click skip and then install this app manually. Then click on review controls and that's it. Now your family parental control is set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.